My subscriber, hello everybody, asked me about NUX-NPK 20 digital piano, how to use metronome volume. So you need to press twice on the function button. And here you can find the metronome volume separate configuration. And by this button you can set up your metronome BPM, beats or volume separate from main volume, of course. And you can also select another voice of the metronome, as you can see here, English vocal cherub, electronics, for example. And how to turn on metronome, you need to press this button metronome and I will turn it on. Everything is simple with metronome. Another question was, can you make two layers of the sound on NUX-NPK 20 on one preset, for example, two piano on one layer of two separate pianos? I think no, because for turn on layer function you need to press, for example, lead, and you need to press lead plus piano, for example, and you will have lead and piano on same layer. Let's turn effects on. As you can see, lead and piano, and you can press on piano, for example, and for pad, for example, and you will have a layer with piano and pads. But I think you can't turn on piano and the piano, or pad and the pad. I didn't find this function, but you can separate your keyboard. And for one part you can adjust, for example, one piano. For another part you can adjust another piano. It's piano with pad. I hope I help to answer on your question about metronome and about layers on NUX-NPK 20. So don't forget to press like, leave some comments, guys. Ask questions.